Want to discover how DeepSeek AI can help you earn money online in 2025? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm breaking down the most powerful and practical ways you can start generating income using DeepSeek AI, whether you're a content creator, freelancer, or just someone looking to start a side hustle. This isn't just theory, these are real methods people are using right now to make money online, and you can too. So stick around because one of these might just change your income game. Welcome back to the Money Map. Today we're diving into something that's seriously shaking up the online income world, DeepSeek AI. This tool is changing how people make money from home, from content creation to freelancing and even launching digital products. If you're looking for fresh ways to boost your income in 2025, this video is going to show you how to put DeepSeek AI to work. Overview of DeepSeek AI. So, what exactly is DeepSeek AI? It's a next-gen artificial intelligence tool designed for generating high-quality text content, kind of like ChatGPT, but with advanced language understanding and customization options. DeepSeek AI can write articles, generate scripts, assist with coding, answer complex queries, and even help with research. What's crazy is how fast it's gaining popularity. From content creators to educators to marketers, people across industries are using DeepSeek to save time and boost productivity. Whether you're freelancing, running an online business, or building a brand, this tool has become a game changer in 2025. Top methods to make money using DeepSeek AI. Method 1. AI-generated content creation. The first way to make money with DeepSeek AI is through content creation, specifically blog posts and articles. DeepSeek makes it super easy to generate high-quality, SEO-friendly content in minutes. Whether you're writing about personal finance, tech, or lifestyle, this tool can handle it. Once your blog is up and running, you can monetize it through ad revenue, like Google AdSense, or even better, by adding affiliate links that pay you every time someone makes a purchase. It's a great way to build passive income while letting AI do the heavy lifting. Method 2. YouTube video scripting. The second way to make money using DeepSeek AI is by creating YouTube video scripts. Whether you're running a finance channel like mine or covering tech, health, or even storytelling, DeepSeek AI can help you draft full video scripts in minutes. You just give it a topic or idea, and it generates a structured, engaging script ready for camera. Once you've got your script, you can record the video, upload it to YouTube, and start earning through ads, affiliate links, and even sponsorships down the line. It saves time, boosts creativity, and helps you stay consistent with your uploads, which is key for growth on YouTube. Method 3. Freelance services. By suggesting viewers offer AI-generated content services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. These platforms provide a great opportunity to monetize skills in AI content creation. You can emphasize that using tools like DeepSeek AI can help efficiently fulfill client requirements. By leveraging the power of AI, freelancers can produce high-quality content in less time, making it easier to handle multiple projects and maximize earnings. Whether it's writing blog posts, creating social media content, or developing marketing materials, offering AI-generated services allows freelancers to cater to a wide range of clients while maintaining competitive pricing and high output. This method can be a great way to earn money while keeping up with the growing demand for AI-driven content in various industries. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others who are interested in making money online using AI tools like DeepSeek. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on future content that dives deeper into AI-driven methods for earning income and optimizing productivity. Sharing this video helps others discover these valuable tools and strategies, so together, we can grow our online ventures and succeed in the world of AI-powered opportunities.